Hi guys, John O'Connor here from Kiri's Car Store. Guys, this must be the nicest BMW X5 on the market. It's absolutely beautiful. It's a 2021 X5 45e M Sport finished in the lovely Tanzanite blue. It has a full in performance package. It has also the M Sport Pro package. It has a technology package. It has a parking system plus package. Upgraded 22-inch alloy wheels, finished in black, gloss black. It's absolutely beautiful car. Really is. It's definitely the nicest car we have in stock at the moment. Coming to the interior of the car, then it's finished in the lovely coffee brown leather interior. Has a full panoramic sunroof, heads up display. There's 90,855 kilometers. Has wireless charging. Has Harman Kardon Hi-Fi. Has the M Sport braking system. Guys, it really is such a cracking car. Please call down and have a look. Thank you.